Nag-apply ka, alam mo namang qualified ka, pero hindi ka natanggap and you're kind of curious. Bakit? Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Ang dami kong nakikitang post ngayon tungkol sa mga Pinoy recruiters daw ay ganito. And gustong-gusto ko talagang replyan. Alam niyo kung anong gusto ko sabihin? What if alam mo what happens behind the scene? Paano nga ba nag-filter ng candidates? Paano ma-hire ang tamang tao para alam mong fit siya dun sa hinahanap ni client? A lot of aspiring virtual assistants are competing with the same skills. Data entry, email management. Pero ang recruitment virtual assistants, ikaw mismo ang naghahanap ng perfect fit para sa team ni client mo. And that is not just business growth. That is personal growth too. Kasi makikita mo na ano nga ba ang nangyayari, paano nga bang finifilter yung mga candidates. Imagine this, ikaw ang magsusource ng candidates, ikaw ang mag-filter ng resumes, makikita mo how ATS works. You will be the one to do Boolean search. You are looking for the best talent. High demand, strategic role, mas mataas ang value mo. And as a recruitment virtual assistant, you don't necessarily have to be an HR graduate. Siyempre, may edge kung HR graduate ka. But these days, meron na tayong mga systems na ginagamit to filter candidates. This is exactly why we have the recruitment virtual assistants class. 999 pesos lang to and you will have internship as well. So ituturo namin sa inyo yung process step by step, sourcing, screening, and evaluation. So kung gusto mo nang tumawid dun sa position na specialized VA na and hindi na lang ang tingin nila is extra help or alam nyo na. Mag-comment kayo ng recruitment chan. We'll send you over the link to join our next class. Again, 999 pesos lang, may kasama ng internship. Stop being a complainer. Start leveling up, pag-aralan mo kung ano nangyayari sa back-end, and become a specialized virtual assistant as a recruitment VA. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. We'll see you sa classroom. Bye!